My Color Scheme is one of the customization options under My NavigateLA. You can access it by clicking on the Advanced Options button while logged into your My NavigateLA account. It allows you to change the color scheme of your account to one of 18 available options. To do this, select a color. Then, press the Update NavigateLA button. The page refreshes to display your selection. Going forward, the selected color scheme will display anytime you log into your account. Having a non-default color scheme is recommended as it functions as a visual cue that lets you know you're logged into your account. To return to the My NavigateLA list of options, click on the blue return arrow. We've now covered the My Color Scheme option in detail. If you need to review it or any of the other My NavigateLA options, click on the Help button on the top right corner of the Advanced Options panel to view a summary. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you'd like to submit a comment or question, or report a problem, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen, eng.navsupt@lacity.org. Thanks for watching.